This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Osvaldo Loretta. Welcome to this one-story Bonaire model home, 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, in San Remo, a vibrant family-oriented gated community at Weston. New roof installed in October 2022. New AC installed in March 2024. New impact protection in main entrance door, garage door and the 2 sliding doors. Hurricane protection in all other windows. Tile and laminate floor. The convenience 2-car garage is equipped with ceiling rack storage. New grass just installed and refreshed landscaping. Community pool and playground. The home is situated in a renowned City of Weston for its excellent schools, near distance to Eagle Point Elementary School, major highways and shops. Great for first-time homebuyers or investors. For more information, review the details below.